Well, you probably come to this video to find out what is Skool and how you can make money with this website named Skool.com. So if you're on Facebook or Instagram, you might be seeing a lot of advertisement for this website. So Skool is a website where you can sell anything to your audience. So it's a website where you can make a private or free community where your audience can buy stuff from you, like your course, your PDF. You can select one-time payment for your for any product that you're selling, or you can charge them a monthly fee. So what they will get access to chat and the group with other members. They can set up call one-on-one with you on Skool.com inside the Skool community. Also, you can give them access to get in a video call with you as well for your top tier fans in your community. So there's all type of community on Skool.com. As you could see, his hobby, his music, as a musician, Skool might be a good way to monetize your audience as well. As you could see, this is a free community right here that has 35,000 members. As you could see, guys, Skool is a very, very popular. There's a lot of big community right here. So any type of hobby that you have, or any type of audience that you have, Skool can be useful. Relationship, self-improvement, sport, health, tech, spiritual, all those type of community is inside Skool.com. So how can you create a community? Well, when you come to the website, it will be looking like this. It's not free. It's not free to join, but if you click the link in the description, you will get a 14-day free trial. You can start with the $99 per month if you have the budget. And if you don't, you can start with $9 per month. And before you start, if you click the link again, you will get a 14-day free trial for any option. Any option that you want to test out, you can try it. With the 14-day free trial, you won't get charged any money on the first 14 days. So first, you can start your community and promote it. If a lot of people join, now you can transform it. You can, after the 14-day free trial done, you can start paying $99 per month or $9 per month for your community. So after you choose your price, you will come right here on Discover community page. You will create your own community. And then after you click right here, you will click here on Create Community. So after you click on Create Community, you will have option like this that will show you your dashboard and all your information. So here is your school name. When you click on General, you will add your school name right here. And then here is your logo and your cover for your community. So what I do is that for my logo, I go to Canva. I go to Canva right here, and then I tell them, create me a logo for your community. So Canva will create you a logo, or you can go to ChatGPT. If you don't have the paid plan for Canva, you can go to ChatGPT and generate your logo and your cover for your community. So next is the payout. Here you will see what your audience is paying you for your community. If you had a paid subscription community, later on I will be showing you how to set up your price for your community. So here's where you see your balance of how much money you get from all your community. Let's say you have 10 people, each pay you $9. So you will see $19 right here. And if you go on pricing, this is where you can price your community. You can even give your audience a 7-day free trial to test your community. And if they like it, they will stay. If they don't, they will leave. And also you can start a free community. So I think a good option would be a free community. And then inside the free community, you can add a subscription. Let's say if they wanna, let's say you're a music producer and you want them to see the live where you're making beats, you can add this option behind a subscription. So in order for them to see this thing, they will have to upgrade their subscription, but they will still be in the community for free, but they won't get access to this part. So this is one of the things that I really, really love about Skool. So also there's an affiliate. You can put people can get paid. People in your community can get paid when they refer someone to join the community, which is very, very good. And the most effective one is the 40%. So in order to enable this, you will have to pay for the pro plan in order to for you to use this feature. And also plugins. You have plugins. What those plugins do is when someone joins your community, they will automatically get a message, tell them to welcome, and then also there will be a chat that will answer any DM. There's a lot of plugin. I will go through all this in a future video, but as of now, I would just show you what inside Skool. And then tab, this is the classroom where all your courses will be displayed. And this is the calendar. If someone want to Zoom meeting with you in person, they can book the meeting inside Skool. One of the most beautiful feature is the map. If two people in the same community live next to each other, there's an option that you enable the map, and then they will see, oh, I'm in this community, and then there's someone in my city that in the same community, so we can hang out together. So here's the categories. Categories is where you will add. Let me show you real quick what is the categories part. If you go to any community, those are categories: content, system, social media. All these are the categories right here. So you can add your wins, chat, question, all this stuff are categories. And then the next is the rules. They give you some, they come up with some default rules. I think they're pretty good. I don't even add the new rules unless you want to add some new. So discovery is for the $99 per month plan. So if you let me show you real quick. If you on this plan, it coming with all those option and custom URL. So next is the metrics. This one is the analytic. Basically, they will be showing you active member and 1 day online and then 1 day offline. And the last part is the billing. So on the billing is where you add your card information and when you get paid or when you pay for Skool community. So this is basically what is skool.com, guys. Or again, I will leave the link in the description for you guys to get the 14-day free trial if you want to test out skool.com. And then if you have any question, just let me know. Yeah, so, and that's it.